Good morning, class 3. Today in mathematics, we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 13, that is geometry. Children, you all know that in geometry, we learn about different types of figures that can be drawn on a sheet of paper. They are plane figures and solid figures. But before we move on to plane figures or the solid figures, let's learn some important figures that can be drawn in the geometry, okay, that are related to geometry. The first is point. A point is a dot, okay, a dot which is drawn with the help of a pencil. You take a sharp pencil and draw a dot here, okay. A dot represents a point. We represent many points, different points using this dot by the capital letter X, Y, Z, or you can say P and Q, okay. We use always capital letter to represent a dot or a point. This point shows an exact location, and these points do not have length or breadth or depth, okay. Now let's move on to line segment. Line segment is the shortest distance between 2 points, okay, like say example A point A and B, okay. Using a ruler, if you draw a line between these 2 points, it becomes a line segment AB, okay. Now it has a beginning and an end. Starts from one point and ends at one point. It's line segment. Then a line. Let's take this example, the same thing, P and Q. This is, I told you that from one point till another point, this is a line segment. But a line can extend to any direction, either this side or this side. So it has no beginning, no end. It can extend to any direction at any length, okay. It does not have any end points, no beginning, no end. Then a ray. You must have seen sun rays. Starts from sun, okay, then moves towards the earth, and so it has a beginning but no end. So same way here also, a point, let's take P, a ray starts from one point and it has no end, okay. It can carry on, can keep on moving at any direction, okay, but so it has a beginning but no end. Now let's move on to plane shapes, okay. First is square, then a rectangle, then triangle, and then circle. These are the 4 plane shapes which we will learn in this chapter. First, move on to square. A square has 4 sides and they all are equal, okay. So it has 4 equal sides and corners. These are the corners. So it has 4 corners. It has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. Same thing is with rectangle also. It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, but its opposite sides, okay, these are its opposite sides, they are equal. Its opposite sides are equal, so it has 4 sides and 4 corners. Now let's move on to triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. You can see 3 sides, okay, and 3 corners, 1, 2, and 3. So it has 3 sides and 3 corners. A circle has 1 curved side, okay. It has 1 curved side and there is no corner, 0 corner. Now solid shapes. Now see, cube and cuboid. Cube and cuboids have same faces, same edges and same vertices. Now see, solid shapes are like this. This is your crayons box. Okay, these are solid shapes. Now faces are what? This face, one, and this is its second face, the third face, the fourth face, then fifth face, and sixth face. These are the faces. Okay, so it has 6 faces, 12 edges. Edges are these corners. Okay, these are corners, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so it has 12 edges. And how many vertices? Vertices means corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, 8 vertices. See, similar. Cube and cuboids have 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. 12 edges, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are its edges. Okay, lines. And these are corners. So it has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. The only difference with cube and cuboid is every face of a cube is a square. Okay, and every face of a cuboid is a rectangle. That is the only difference between a cube and a cuboid. Okay, now let's move on to cylinder. Cylinder has 3 faces, 1, 2 and 1 curved face. Okay, 3 faces, 2 plain, 1 and 2, the top and bottom one, and 1 curved face. It has 2 edges. It has 2 edges, 1 and 2 edges, and 0 vertices. It has 0 vertex, means no corners. Next, move on to cone. You remember your birthday cap? It's the shape of the cone only. Okay, and the ice cream cone also. So it has 2 faces. Okay, 1 curved and 1 plain. So it has 2 faces, 1 plain and 1 curved. Okay, it has 1 edge. It has 1 edge and 1 vertex. This cone. Okay, now then sphere. A sphere has 1 curved face. You have seen a ball, that is the shape of a sphere. It has the same shape, sphere. Okay, it has 1 curved face and 0 edges, doesn't have any edges and no vertices. Okay boys, hope you all understood. Thank you.